Hi everyone, it's Brandon from All American Thrills, and this is our 12th Laff Trakk construction update at Hersheypark. Since our last update, more of the roof for the building has gone up, and this is our first ALTair update since the roof has gone up at all. So we're going to take off with ALTair now and see what's been going on. Let's go. Okay, here we go now. ALTair taking off and in the air. In our last update, the first tier of the building, the highest tier, was up, and the second one was just starting to be erected, and the third one hadn't started to be erected at all yet. So now we have the three tiers of the building, the tallest, middle, and lower, that have now been erected. Also, the roof has been started on the middle and third lowest tier, which we'll be backing up ALTair here in just a few moments, and you'll be able to see some of the roofing materials, the insulation, and what looks like the white metal roof. So we're really the only place that you can see what color the roof of Laff Trakk is. And that's, of course, thanks to ALTair. Now we're moving to the left a little bit. If you look down, you can see there's an extension on the building, and that, we believe, is for the transfer track of the coaster, where cars will be stored, as well as probably a maintenance area to work on the Laff Trakk ride vehicles in the wintertime. So I think those are some of the more components that you don't really think of, but that need to be built. And we're going to be swooping right here to get a view from the right side of the building. Looks like we have a really small extension of the building being built on the right side here down below, and we believe that that's probably, or could possibly be, for the indoor section of the queue for Laff Trakk. And since this side of the building is inside the park, this really is the only place that you will see this perspective. There's the little extension that I was mentioning. Laff Trakk, now that this much of the building is up, really is changing the shape of the Midway America section of the park. It'll be exciting to see as the roof continues to go up, and the sides, and obviously the coaster yet, because we have none of Laff Trakk's coaster has started to be erected yet. There are not pieces on site yet, but when there are pieces on site, support and steel track, we'll definitely keep all of you updated for when that happens, but none of that has happened yet. Right now, the park seems to be totally focused on the building and other components first, obviously, to get those things done that need to be done. And one final look here as we're going to start to bring ALTair back. ALTair coming in for a landing with Walt catching. Alright, there we go. Great flight. Okay, so that wraps up our 12th Laff Trakk construction update from ALTair. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. For more Laff Trakk construction updates, as well as other construction updates from other coaster projects, make sure you like All American Thrills on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and also check out our website, allamericanthrills.com. Thanks for watching. See you, everyone.